This handyman is wiring an electrical coil. This painter is talented by painting this vent without masking tape neatly. This worker is plastering this wall in a fast and precise manner. Embrace the speed and precision of the plaster being applied. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. This vehicle is getting paint protection film installed to help prevent rock chips and scratches. This wooden frame is getting glass installed and secured using special glass paste. In modern day times, typically this method isn't used. However, this is an old-fashioned antique. After plexiglass is polished, it gives a mirror-like finish. This craftsman is performing wood turning for a staircase railing. This is how delicious hard candy is made, homemade style. Professional painters use their expertise to paint this wall without the use of masking tapes. Rather than painting with a brush, spray painting saves time and gives you a better luster finish. The Badger Curb Maker creates curbs for you in a matter of minutes with a clean job. This worker is applying finishing on the curb side of a concrete surface.